Now, few more interesting things about angles we would be discussing. One is called as a zero angle. What is a zero angle? That we'll see. Then what is one rotation angle? That we'll see. Then what do you call a straight angle? A right angle you must be familiar with. Okay, so these four terms we will be seeing. Now, zero angle means the initial arm. We talked about the initial arm and the final arm. So this is, let us say, initial arm OA. Ray OA is the initial arm. OA is the initial arm, and OB is a terminal arm. So this angle, this arm, initial arm and terminal arm, they are the same. Okay, when they are the same. And when will this happen? This will happen when it does not rotate. When the initial arm does not rotate. When the initial arm does not rotate. Okay, if the initial arm does not rotate, then the angle so formed is called as a zero angle. Okay, so OA and OB are same arms because they do not rotate. So this is called as a zero angle. Now what is one rotation angle? Now one rotation angle and zero angle, you need to understand that in zero angle as well as one rotation angle, both the arms appear to be the same. But what is the difference? Difference is that this initial arm rotates through a complete circle. This is initial arm OA. This is initial arm OA. So it is going to rotate. So let us say it is going to rotate like this. It starts rotating like this, like this, like this. And it comes back again and takes a new position. Takes a new position OB. So this becomes initial arm and this becomes final arm. So this angle AOB becomes 360 degree. Angle AOB becomes 360 degree. So after one complete rotation, the initial arm coincides with the terminal arm. Initial arm coincides with the terminal arm, means they are on the same line. Coincide means they are on the same line. Okay, and this angle becomes 360 degree. So this is called as a one rotation angle. One rotation angle means 360 degrees. Okay. If on the other hand, this was your initial arm OA, and the terminal arm after rotation is directed in the opposite direction, like this. Is directed in the opposite direction. So when will this happen? This will happen when this rotates like this and forms OB, or it rotates like this, okay, and form OB. So clockwise or anti-clockwise it will rotate, and it will, so this is clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation. It will rotate either in the clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Okay, but both the arms would be along now a straight line directed in the opposite direction. So that angle would be 180 degree centigrade. 180 degree centigrade. Okay. Angle AOB is 180 degree centigrade. This is a straight line angle. And right angle is very simple. So this is the initial arm. And let us say it rotates anti-clockwise. And this is terminal arm. Okay. It is 1/4 of the rotation, 1/4 of the rotation angle. Okay, 1/4 of the rotation angle. If that happens, then it is called as the right angle. Okay, so this is called as a right angle. This is right angle and 90 degree centigrade. This would be 90 degree centigrade. This is right angle. And because it is anti-clockwise, we will take it positive. If it is clockwise, then it will be minus 90 degree centigrade. This will be terminal arm. Okay, so this way you need to understand the different terminologies associated with angles. Okay.